Welcome to how to do a casual walkthrough of Pyung Ahn O Dan for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a casual walkthrough of Pyung Ahn O Dan. It is the fifth form in the Pyong An series. So today I will be doing facing the camera, and then I will face to my right, so you'll see my left side, and then I'll face to the left, and you'll see my right side. And then I'll face away from the camera, so you'll see the form from the back angle. So you get 4 different perspectives on the form, and it'll be a casual walkthrough. I'm not going to talk through it today. It's just going to be a nice even pace, and you'll get to see it from 4 different angles. So let's get started. I'll be right back. Pyong Ahn O Dan. Pyong Ahn O Dan. Pyong Ahn O Dan. Pyong Ahn O Dan. And that is a casual walkthrough of Pyong Ahn O Dan. So you got to see front perspective of the form and right side and left sides. So going sideways, you get to see both sides of the form. And then of course, facing away from the camera, you get to see what it looks like from the other perspective there. So you get 4 different angles and a nice even pace, and that should help out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. And until the next video, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy.